Today we're talking all things cleaning. Our friends at Good Housekeeping are sharing some of the winners from their 2022 Cleaning and Organizing Awards. Didn't know that existed.
It exists. Do you like cleaning?
Sometimes.
But you like a clean space?
Yes. Oh, I have to have neatness. Order all the time.
Visual order.
Visual order. Disorder makes me nervous.
Me too.
Anxiety. I'm feeling it right now.
We need an anxiety dog to help you with your visual order. Listen, joining us this morning is Jadira Rodriguez from Good Housekeeping and Home Care and Cleaning Lab. I had no idea this existed.
Welcome,
Thank you so
Jadira.
much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me on. It's great to be here.
We've got a plethora of products in front of us.
Yes.
We're going to start with the machinery, which I kind of like here.
What is this?
Yes.
What does it do?
So this is the Bissell Little Green Carpet Cleaner, and this is a portable carpet cleaner. You can use it on upholstered furniture, car seats. It's really great for that, which is such a difficult thing to keep clean, right?
Yes.
And it's great because it doesn't over wet the fabric. So we avoid having that musty smell that can build in carpets.
Right.
Exactly.
And it comes from the cleaner, but not this one.
Exactly. So this is really, really great. It's super popular on TikTok. It's made a comeback. We tested it many years ago, and it's just as good as it was all that time ago.
Sometimes the original is all you need.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right.
So what happens? You fill this with
Fill it with water, a little bit of the cleaning solution that Bissell sells with the product, and then you just turn it on, it wets it, and then it suctions the water right out.
You got a little schmutz over here. Let me get that for you. Right over there. Okay.
Well, I wouldn't recommend it for clothes.
No.
Okay,
not
fine.
for your clothes. Right.
Don't recommend anything I do. Just play along, please.
Fantastic. And what is this going to run us?
I believe that's about $200.
But it's better to have this than buy new furniture or buy new upholstery, buy a new rug.
Absolutely.
Multifunctional.
Exactly.
Awesome.
Exactly.
Okay, what do we have
Next.
So the next products we have, we're moving on into the kitchen.
Okay.
So this is Hope's Perfect Sink Cleaner and Polish. It's a multitasking, so this is a multitasking product. It's gonna get rid of those stains from your stainless steel sink, and it's gonna leave a protective seal, so we prevent that from happening again.
That is huge, because something gets left there a little too long that has the ability to stain, and then you can't get it out forever. You're scrubbing with all these different products, and this also cleans and then it seals it.
Yes, so it's a protective seal, and it's not just food that stains our stainless steel, but it's also just water.
Yeah.
So we get those watermarks. Sure. Exactly.
This is okay, so this is a...
Yep, and you just pour some in, and then you use a cloth to scrub it in, and then you rinse it off, and you dry it, and you're good to go. And it's mildly abrasive, so it's safe to also use on other stainless steel appliances, like your refrigerator, your dishwasher.
Maybe the oven door.
Multitasking,
and I like the way it says, it goes...
When you use it, you have to go...
Application, very nice.
Yes.
And how much this is? Look, $14.45.
Yes.
Not bad at all.
Very affordable. Very affordable product.
I'm going to look into that one because I didn't know that was out there.
You know what?
I'm learning.
Christmas is coming.
All right,
I'll get
hold
you
off.
your stocking stuffer right there.
I don't know about cleaning products as Christmas gifts.
Just work with me. Okay.
From this one, that's warm.
This brand has been around since the time before time.
Forever. Palm olive. We love it to cut grease in the kitchen,
Interesting.
right? So this new product, this is for our eco-conscious
I like that.
And what this is that it brings a bottle that you're going to reuse with a concentrated dish gel. So when you run out of your dish soap, instead of going out to buy a new bottle, you're just going to buy the concentrated dish gel, you dilute it in the bottle, and you're just going to reuse that same bottle. It has the same cleaning power of the traditional palm olive that we trust. And it's just minimizing a little bit of plastic that goes into landfills.
Right.
So this is concentrated, that gel. You add water into the emptied out container and just keep...
So you buy
So
this.
this is the empty container right here.
Yeah, dig it.
So it comes with the empty container and then the dish gel packet. You do it yourself. It's concentrated, so it does have the same thing.
$2.45 palm olive.
And palm olive is keeping up with the times.
Was that Madge? Was Madge palm olive? You're soaking in it. She would.
Oh, I think you're right. This is way before your time. We're dinosaurs. We're talking about the commercial from 1,000 years ago. But I'm glad to see.
Is it mild? Oh, more than just mild. You're soaking in it now. She was giving her a manicure. But anyway, that's.
I like this one.
It's really
and a good price point.
Really great.
Last but not least, no, we have two more to go.
Yes.
Bathroom foamer.
This one is continuing with that more eco-conscious idea. This is a bathroom cleaner that's refillable.
Oh, the dreaded bathroom.
Yes. No one likes cleaning the bathroom, but of course Clorox is a brand that we trust to get it clean and germ-free. So this is Clorox new refillable cleaner. It comes with a concentrated pod. You dilute it in the spray bottle. You reuse the bottle. You just have to buy the pods.
I see a trend here.
So it's all
Yes.
about recycling and reusing to actually
It's
help
all
the
about
environment.
recycling,
Good
reusing,
job.
and this is 80% less plastic than their traditional bathroom cleaner bottles.
Okay.
I just need one that has a pole that you can stay 6 feet away from whatever you're trying to clean. Do I have to get that close?
Oh, in the bathroom,
Yes,
sure.
in the bathroom.
$8.50. This is
Also,
fantastic.
great price. Yeah.
I like
great.
this. Keep one in every bathroom.
Yeah.
This is how I clean it.
And there's nice. You got
The sound
technique.
Well, because
Yeah.
cleaning is horrible. So if you're going to do it,
Have some
entertain
fun.
yourself.
Do you play music when you clean? Because I have to.
Oh,
play
I
music.
put the
I do.
AirPods on.
I have to have music.
Yeah,
I do,
What
but
you
it
listen
makes
to?
my cleaning longer because I stop
'cause
to
you're
jam,
jamming.
I'm jamming. I forget that I'm cleaning.
But it's fun
right?
at least.
Yes,
You get a workout too.
that's right.
Fantastic.
That's
Last
right.
Big
but
gun
not
here at the end.
least-
What is
Yes.
this?
What is
Last but
happening
not
here?
least, this is the LG
That's from NASA.
Cord
No.
Zero Auto Empty Stick Vac. So long name, but it earned it with everything that it does. So it's going to get all the dust bunnies
love
under your
this.
couch, under your bed, because it's a great performer. And then when you're done, you don't have to reach into it to empty the dust cup. You connect it to the base, and it automatically empties
No.
into the charging base.
No.
There's a bag in here that holds all the dirt and debris.
Right.
And when it's full, you just replace that bag.
Okay, for Christmas, I want this one.
That's the one.
Yes.
Of course.
I'm not the I'm
sure
not
we'll see
the
the
woman
price
that
now.
needs a jewel. I mean, I do need jewelry, but I love a vacuum cleaner.
Oh, it's only $9.96.
That's a mere bag of shells on your contract.
They're
you
missing
kidding
the
me?
period in that.
Wait, so it comes off?
Yes, so it comes off of this charging base.
Can I take it off?
Yes, you can.
So it flies free.
Oh, your nails look fantastic. by
Oh
the
my
way.
gosh, thank you.
Look
So
how
this is
light
it.
this is.
It's super lightweight.
And this extends.
This actually
Does it all.
compresses the dirt so that you can clean up more. And then when everything goes in here, this also holds all of the accessories.
What?
Look at
Yes.
this, baby. Look at this. Doesn't it? I mean,
This
come
is
on.
so futuristic.
And you can throw that right in the closet. It takes up that little space. That's all. It takes up.
Exactly.
I like it.
This is like
I'm liking
Inspector
it.
Gadget. Oh, and I like the
I'm not sure
rose.
if you're worthy for this as a Christmas gift yet.
This
We'll
is
see.
I like this one.
This is. But the other thing you were saying, so you don't have to empty the canister out from here. You put it
Right,
in
you put
here.
it in there.
and
You
there's a
connect
bag.
it right in here. There's a bag in here. So you just replace the bag
Right,
inside.
eventually at some
You
point.
never
Okay.
get your hands dirty.
That's pretty cool.
That's the point.
Look at this
That's pretty
thing.
cool.
Have you ever?
You look like you want to swing this baby.
Well, after the Met season, I kind of do, but here we are.
Swing and a
You
miss.
were fantastic.
Oh my gosh,
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much.
These products are fantastic. I mean, the Good Housekeeping seal of approval. Come on with this
Yes.
business.
No, I
Oh,
learned, and
thank
I'm
you.
ordering some of these
Yes.
right after the show. As a matter of fact, this one especially.
This one especially.
Yeah, the sink thing annoys me.
The latest issue of Good Housekeeping is on newsstands now. You can find ideas and inspiration online at goodhousekeeping.com. Thank you again so much.
Thanks so
Thank
much.
you so much for having me.